Alright, I'll be showing you how to transfer t-shirt vinyl on a shirt from start to finish. So first of all, get your vinyl. If you get a vinyl from us, usually you want to cut on the back of the vinyl, so not the shiny part, but the matte part. Okay. So obviously open up your design, and also it's important to make sure that you mirror your design. Okay, so just send in a cut over. So once that's finished, get your vinyl out. If you need to cut some excess, just do that. So now the fun part, so you actually need to weed out the excess. Alright, so grab tweezers or anything sharp and just kinda try to get one of the corners to lift up. So with the t-shirt one, it's quite easy to weed it out. So just slowly go over your design. So I'll probably just cut it off here at this point, finish up design and come back. Okay, so once you weeded out your design, you should be able to have your design. So this is the back and this is the front. Now I'll be going to the heat press to actually transfer it on a shirt. Okay, so by the press, the temperature would be 150 for 15 seconds. So put your shirt on and make sure that you preheat it to get rid of all the moisture and obviously to straighten up the shirt as well. Okay, so get your design. Cover with a second sheet, not necessary, but it's good practice to have one. Okay, and press it for 15 seconds. So after the timer finished, remove your shirt and make sure that you leave your fabric to cool down, because it's a cold peel. Okay, so after your fabric is cooled down, just take one corner and in one motion just peel off the backing paper. So your shirt is ready. At this point, I would recommend to put it back in the press. So put it back in the press and then cover it with a Teflon sheet and press it again for 15 seconds. Using sort of medium to high pressure. And that's it. And your shirt is ready. Just wait for it to cool down a little bit.